Ooh. And
So good.
Oh my god. Very big waterfall. Amazing. How would you rate it? On a scale of 1 to 10. Here we go. Hiking with Kate to the waterfall. How are you feeling, Kate?
Good.
Amazing?
I love it.
This is anyway, you know, I haven't told you about this hike actually. So this is one of the most slippery hike in the world. But yeah. So let's find out on these trails today. But it's great that it is still raining a little bit. So it's not much slippery. So when it stops raining, I hope we're gonna find it out. Yeah, so okay, pole pole. Pole pole. Did I hear something like Spanish? See? The sleepiness made you speak some Spanish a little bit. Do you speak Spanish?
And and then German is what I'm really
Oh,
speaking.
really? You speak German?
Uh-huh.
Oh, ein bisschen Deutsch.
Oh! Wunderbar.
Yeah, langsam. Langsam, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Langsam is pole pole.
Pole, pole?
Yeah,
Okay.
slowly. So, yeah, so
Nicht schnell. Yes. Schnell is fast.
schnell is fast. Schnell. So, guys, you can see this hike of the Materuni Waterfalls. It's crazy how the government just take the money and not making the trails. It's crazy. Doesn't make any sense to me.
That sounds like the States, honestly. Government takes money, doesn't do anything more.
Oh, I think let's find a shade over there a little bit, and then we will continue hiking.
Perfect.
Yeah, and then let's find out if you can get a free cup of coffee here. There's no end guest here.
Okay.
The title of this video will be "Hiking the Rain Went Wrong."
No.
This is. I can't believe we accepted this challenge though. Hiking is wonderful. Guys, come hiking, go hiking. It heals everything. It heals from every kind of stuff you're going through right now. The best trail you will take in Africa. There is a view. So where's the view? There's the view here. Oh. So imagine you've been hiking for maybe an hour or 2 hours, going to a certain point, and then you find it's like this. Oh. Yes.
It is what it is.
So, is it recording? Yeah. Yeah. So here in Tanzania we have over 120 plus tribes, but all we speak one language. Our national language is Swahili. Yeah, so few greetings to get to know. When you meet the locals, they will say jambo, is more touristic, but if you say mambo, the more is locals.
Okay.
Mambo. Yeah. Mambo, the reply is poor. Mambo means hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you want to go with the tourist rhythm, jambo.
So mambo. Okay.
Yeah. If somebody says jambo, can say jambo back.
Ah.
Yes. Jambo, jambo, jambo bwana. Yeah. There is a song. It's very, very popular in East Africa. It is jambo, jambo song. Jambo, jambo bwana.
Yes.
You heard of it?
Yeah.
So later on the coffee press, because we're going to have a small ceremony, Macarena. Yeah, we're gonna sing. Now I can tell you a hiker how you switched to the sideway.
Yes.
Sleepy. Guys, I just told you this is the most sleepy hike in the world. Tell me what hike is more sleepy than this one? Just share on the comment section. I will pass through your comments, guys. Let's find out.
Oi.
I have an idea of making a video hiking with 2 glasses of wine, of banana wine, to find out how tricky this hiking is.
No.
It's not a good idea, but I think it will be interesting.
It's not great, but it could be fun. Oi. Oi.
Ooh. And
It's all good.
Oh my god.
Asante. Hey, how beautiful. Yeah, she's so kind. She just got us some elephant ear plants. Yeah, to make sure you're not going to. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Just look, I make myself.
Beautiful.
It's oil painting, light painting.
Ooh.
Yeah, we got the umbrella. So all is good. Hey. Sawa, usiwaze. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, see, with the coffee plantations.
Oh, okay.
So here we grow coffee. This is Arabica.
Okay.
Yeah. So all over the world we got 2 types of coffees, Arabica and Robusta.
We're just doing Arabica.
Yeah, but
Okay.
the coffee we are growing here is Arabica. This one is less caffeine. Yeah, you can drink as much as you can, no boom boom, not too much of it. At night you sleep like a baby. So we are going to the worst part.
Okay.
I think I'm going to switch off my camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I need to concentrate.
Nicht gut.
Yeah. From June to December we harvest the coffee.
And they're wild growing, or did you plant them?
This one there we plant them.
Ah.
This coffee originates from Ethiopia. With high amount, but the German was distributing them to the local people, and they go and then they come to correct.
Ah.
Yes. So sehr schön. Wunderbar.
Yeah.
With the elephant ear plant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Local umbrella. Let's focus, we don't need to fall anymore.
It's okay, I like getting dirty. As long as I can shower in the evening, I don't care.
It's very sleepy. Let's take our time, no rush. The waterfall is still waiting us. So beautiful. When you go to Kilimanjaro, you will hear the guides and the porters telling you all the time, pole pole.
Pole. Okay.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Especially if this is the conditions.
Pole pole hakuna matata.
No worries.
No worries. Hiking in the rain, I think it's going long. How come it is still getting harder and harder? This is crazy.
Sehr lustig.
This rain doesn't want to stop though.
What?
The rain.
Uh-uh.
It's getting strong and strong every time.
Hey.
What? But we are lucky we got this one. Oh, people are so friendly here. They got us a local umbrella. These are the elephant ear plants, but they are also yams potatoes.
Ah.
Yeah. Elephant ear plants. If you uproot down, you get yams.
Oh, okay.
Potato, yams, yes. The elephant ear plants. Ah, sisi tumeshaanguka. Mama kwa mbio mbio hivyo. Yeah. Fitness. If you come to my business, I want to go viral. This song went viral in the social media. Oh, careful here. Slippery like this, hiking like this, and the government just taking the money without constructing the trail. It's crazy though. Guys, Karibu Tanzania, which means welcome in Swahili. Welcome wherever you're looking to hike to the beautiful waterfalls in Tanzania, but there's a little bit raining. Not normal this summer, but you know, on the mountain it's always like this. Tends to create its own clouds. So you are best guide to take you to the falls. Buzinza. Buz is a guide. Karibu Tanzania. How beautiful, look at it. Look at this. And how Kate beautiful. Met from Colorado. I love the US. I love how you guys, you make your accents. Like Colorado.
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 Yeah.
Colorado. Beautiful. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. We've been hiking for a while.
Gorgeous.
Finally we are here. Wow. Very big waterfall. Amazing. How would you rate it? On a
What?
scale of 1 to 10.
100.
100. That's beautiful. You know this song?
Think so. I have no singing voice though.
Billish. Billish.
Oh, okay,
Cat. Yeah, so finally I think I'm going to end up the video right here. So like to get the people to subscribe. You tell them subscribe.
Oh, sorry. Please subscribe.
Subscribe and hit that like button. See you on the next one.